It's 6:30 in the morning. I hear a loud sound. It's my alarm clock. On Saturdays, I love my alarm clock because it stays silent. But on Monday, I hate it. I'm very tired. My bed is warm and soft. My blanket is purple and cozy. I want to stay here forever. But Monday says, "No, Lily, get up. You have to go to school." I push the snooze button. I sleep for 5 more minutes. Then, the alarm rings again. Monday is winning the battle. I finally stand up. My eyes are half closed. I look like a zombie. Do you like Monday mornings? Or are you a zombie like me? Now, I'm in the kitchen. I need my secret weapon, coffee. I take my favorite mug. It's a big, green mug. I place the mug under the coffee machine. Then I press the button. The machine starts to work. Look! The hot coffee pours into my mug. It fills the mug to the top. The smell is amazing. I take a sip. Now I'm awake. My brain starts to work. I look at my schedule on the refrigerator. 9 a.m. English class. 11 a.m. Math. 2 p.m. Library. Monday looks at me and says, "Are you ready?" I drink more coffee and say, "Yes, I'm ready. Let's go." I walk to the bus stop. On Mondays, it always rains. Why? I don't know. Maybe Monday is sad too. I wait for the bus. Usually, the bus is on time. But on Monday, the bus is late. I wait for 10 minutes. I wait for 15 minutes. I see other people at the bus stop. They're not smiling. They're looking at their phones. Everyone is tired. Finally, the bus arrives. It's very crowded. I have to stand up. I hold the yellow handle. The bus moves slowly because there is a lot of traffic. Monday is trying to make me late. But I'm strong. I listen to my favorite music on my headphones. Music makes Monday better. I arrive at school. My first class is English. I love English. We speak in English. We learn new words. I forget that I'm tired. I talk to my friends. We talk about our weekend. Sarah went to the cinema. Theo played video games. Now I'm winning the battle. Monday is not a monster. Monday is just a new start. It's a day to learn and to see my friends. At lunchtime, I feel great. I eat a sandwich and an apple in the cafeteria. The sun is coming out. The rain is stopping. I'm full of energy today. It's now 7 p.m. I'm back home. The battle is over. Who won? I won! Monday was difficult in the morning. It was cold and rainy, and the bus was late. But I had my coffee. I went to school, and I studied hard. Now, Monday is finished. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tuesday is much easier. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you liked it. Now, I have some questions for you. What time do you wake up on Monday? Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? What is your favorite day of the week? Write your answers in the comments. I love to read them. Have a great week. Goodbye.